morning, good evening, good afternoon. No. Let's go.
Hi, this is the first video in the course and we will design a sample character, a really basic character with no details or anything. It's just a warm-up for us to start. It doesn't have to be good, so we will start with a template and we will try to make a simple top-down character. So we have to make the head and the shoulders have more space in the design or get more attention to the player or the person who is watching the game or playing the game. And this is how you make a top-down character or top-down style, and this is work with everything, with characters, with assets, with anything, with monsters, anything you want to make in your game. The player feels like the camera is in the top because this is how you make the illusion, or this is how to show that the camera is on top. Even the camera is in normal 2D mode, like it's not on top or anything, but because we are working on this style, we are making the shoulder and the head have bigger space, or we are showing them more than the rest of the body. That's why we are getting this style or this look. And yeah, top down is a very famous style in pixel art. There are a lot of styles. Every game has a style, every game are unique, and that's why I love pixel art. So yeah, we will start with the shape, and this shape, as you see, we have parts. We have the head, we have the shoulders, and these two parts we have to focus on them more in this style. And yeah, after that we added the colors and details and everything. And this video is just a warm-up. The next video will work on a bigger size with more details and better poses, because the pose is very important key to make the character stand out and look great. Sometimes even if the design is not good, but the pose is great, it's changing the game. Even if you have like a really nice character in your head but you didn't make a nice pose, it will look weak and not that unique. That's why pose is very important. And the pose, it depends on what is your character and how your character is. Like if your character is angry, your character is evil, your character, you know what I mean? The pose is playing a big role in that. So yeah, this is just the beginning, because we will work on monsters, on animations, and a lot of stuff. We want just to start with a really simple thing for you, so you warm up, because we need to start with something simple and go step by step. As you see in the first video, in the intro, I did talk about all this. So yeah, we will work step by step. This is just a warm up, so I want you to make a really simple character, like a really simple character. It doesn't have to be anything, just simple character. Even if it's bad, if it looks, it doesn't matter. Just start with something, and see you in the next video. See you.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.